Dixon BBQ at the open house, and we're ready to have some fun.
Way to go, Jackson. High five, man. Boom. Hey, stay tuned to meet the teams and check out the steaks and see what's going on here at Mason Dixon Barbecue. Glad to have you here, and good luck next week.
I'm here with Brett, and I'm going to ask him a couple questions.
Why don't you ask him how long he's been doing SCA competitions?
Yeah. How long?
This is our 7th season of SCA. Oh,
7 years,
seems
man.
like 17. It's been a while.
Ask him how many competitions he does in 1 year.
Yeah, how much?
This year we have over 500 events around the world. Can you believe that?
That's a lot.
That is a lot.
I got a question for you. How come you didn't bring me ice cream? That ice cream cone looked delicious.
All right.
Thanks for talking to me today.
Yeah.
I had a great time here. It was fun. I saw some good steaks. I made a friend. And make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.